Time to start the hunt.
We're not fucking around, we came to stack bodies. It's 9/11 and we're heading up north. Just after a blizzard. It's me, Chad, my brother Ryan, and Andy Coffin. What? Yeah, he's good. Came over this hill, hit just glare ice. There's a guy stopped. We almost ran into him. We flipped the fucking, we spun around and crashed into the sidewall. We've arrived. We are the only ones camping here. They got more snow than we did. Look at my heart.
Is that sheep? Is that decent?
Yeah. Yep. I'm excited, dude. This is probably the best knife you can get in this price range. Thanks, buddy. Look at that, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to gut a deer with it.
That is badass.
I might save this for the boning and stuff.
Show the camera.
Whoop, whoop. Thanks, dude. Yeah.
Andy trying to upgrade his sleeping situation.
Dude, you even got Phil Wilsham's name on here for me. Did you know that?
I mean, yeah, I paid extra.
Alright, you want to check it out?
It's effing cold out there. In the 20s. It's supposed to be single digit wind chills in the morning. Yeah, in a minute I'll look at it. It's bad. But we got Chad, Andy, and myself sleeping in the pop-up. Got all the essentials:
Thank
beer,
you so much.
coffee, water, toe warmers, thermos,
This is toe warmers.
brand new knife.
Dude, you're awesome. You're a good friend.
Yeah, it's midnight. We're gonna try and get some sleep and wake up at 5. Go kill something.
So how would everybody rate their sleep? Ryan, 1 out of 10.
4.
Andy?
7.
I would agree with that. 7.
Yeah, I slept worse in the hammock the last time we hunted.
There's our little coffee mule.
Breakfast of champions. Making some more coffee. Chad's still in fucking bed. Brother,
Hi.
get your ass out of that sleeping bag.
It's so warm.
It is. It's nice and toasty in here.
It's Chad. I just got set up. Next to a river. Wish me luck. Down in this river bottom this morning. I got a creek about 20 yards from me. And then the river's another 40 past that. So I'm 60 yards from the river. And have a bedding area to my right and a bedding area to my left with real thick cover. Huge ridge point behind me that drops down. Another ridge on the other side of the river. I can see that other ridge pretty good too. But if anything moves in this bottom between one bedding area to the other, it pinches down. The furthest shot I'll have is 60 yards. They got quite a bit of snow up here. It's cold. Wind chills in the single digits. I feel like that little kid off A Christmas Story. I got every piece of hut and clothing I own on. Holy cow. There's 3 ridge points that come down into this river bottom. I'm on the first one, and then Andy is in the middle, and then my brother went off the other one. We just float down the ridge point to the bottom and set up. That way we can hunt over the river bottom and along the ridge. Seen 4 or 5 fresh sets of tracks walking down into the bedding area to my left between me and Andy, so I know there's deer in here. 2 of the sets were quite large. We're looking for big doe or a big buck today. Last day of regular firearm season today. We're up here camping out in the pop-up. It's cold. But we had to bring our bows too because tomorrow is it starts up with late archery again. I'm gonna get tucked in here. Probably have me a cup of coffee and wait for something to get cold and stand up and walk in front of me. Hopefully. I'm hoping to hear Andy or Chad rip one. We talked Andy into coming up because he's killed a bunch of deer, but he's never killed a deer on public land. So, let's root for Andy. I hope he gets one. He deserves it. He put in a lot of work this year. Moved my setup about 10 yards. That was the tree I was in this morning. It just opens me up a little bit to shoot this way over this bush, of course, but there's thick bedding right out there, and anything on the back side of it over here I'll now be able to shoot. It's like 10:30. Gonna head back to camp. Grabbed some earlier this year. Deer tracks right here. Coming up from over there, coming up this way. And then I caught 4 tracks going down into there off the top of this ridge this morning. There's deer in here somewhere. leave my setup right there. Come back tonight and hunt it. I don't know. You can tell how steep this ridge is. It's ridiculous. Oh. Such a beautiful area. All right, I'm gonna try not and fall. Whew. I didn't die. I did fall once. Such a narrow point. Kind of cool. That's hard to tell with the light. That's a little bit fresher than the last couple weeks. Just seen a buck rub down in here. Look at that, boy. Holy shit. Shredded. Judging by the tracks, I'd say they're back at the camper already. Ooh, almost died.
See anything?
No.
Andy seen 2 does, almost shot one.
Hell yeah, dude.
He just didn't want to go for the headshot.
Oh, really?
I was waiting for it to take one more step. I watched him come and it was through some thick brush, and there's an opening. I had my gun up ready, safety off. Its head came out, and then like I thought about shooting in the neck, but I was like, no, just wait, it'll come out. And then I think it winded me, and it turned around and just kind of trotted off.
Damn.
2 of them.
Well, that's cool. I seen a ton of fresh tracks.
Same.
4 of them going down in there.
Yeah,
Couple
we've seen-
crossing the Point Ridge.
We've seen it like 3 or 4 deer trails.
They were tracks going down off the ridge, down into that bed, into the creek bottom.
Yeah, ours were tracks too.
Yeah.
Probably either earlier this morning or last night.
Yep.
They weren't like super fresh, but
I had one track back there that I was looking up ahead of me. It was so fresh, but I didn't see nothing. A lot of buck sign down in there, boy. I moved trees from where I sat this morning, but only like 10 yards. I already preset my evening hunt.
oh really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hunt that funnel, I think.
Okay.
Is that good, mother?
Well, Andy was saying fuck, like he was spilling everywhere, and I was like, well, fuck, dude, I'm not making a mess. I looked down, it's all over me.
Burritos and coffee.
All over me.
Chad's a child.
That's okay.
Do it again. Just bit into a quarter slice of a lime.
Got hurt, Brandon.
Let's go kill some sheep.
No pussy this time though. Headshots only.
You honestly want to play that game? That makes Corey jealous.
Yeah. Corey could be up here playing games with us, but too cold. But he ain't wrong. Going back out after him. Got squirrel tracks coming in. Sitting. That's badass. Looks like a bird got him. It's a little after 2 o'clock. Back down in here in this river bottom. Same place I was this morning. I just moved up about 10 yards. I'm right on the edge of this beaver creek here. The river's about 40 yards from me. It's snowing a bit more this evening. Nice little ridge off, or it's like a bench with really thick cover. Just on the other side of the river. I'm hoping something's bedded there. And then out here in the middle section, there's some real thick cover over here. It's surrounded by water. I'm hoping there's something in there. And then same thing behind me. There's a bunch of fresh tracks from this morning going down into here. There's got to be deer in here. Then Andy, he had a chance at 2 does this morning. Just didn't get a shot. And he was on this ridge over here to my left. Up on top, they came right through that one funnel. And right over. He said they were about 40, 50 yards away. But he never had a clear shot. Brother didn't see nothing this morning. Neither did I. Tonight, my brother's going on a different funnel that we've been seeing deer in. And there were fresh tracks coming out of it when he passed it this morning. I'm not exactly sure where Andy's going. I'm assuming back up where he saw them deer, but he wasn't sure. Can also see the whole face of this ridge over here. So if I catch anything moving along the base of that ridge on the other side of the river, that wasn't far away. If I catch anything over there, I can pop it too. I'd say just over 100 yards to the base of that ridge. 125 yards. And there's a nice open, thick flat here. Just this side of that thick little bench that I can pick shots through. Of course, if anything's walking the base of the ridge behind me too, I'll be able to get a shot. Up to 150 yards. Got this sweet old eagle's nest right here behind me. I didn't take any video of it this morning, I don't think. But I'll show you guys that now. It's pretty sweet. I did see an eagle this morning, but I don't think I got footage of it. But it's a big ass nest. It's only the second one I've ever seen. Pretty cool. I'm gonna settle in and try and stay warm here.
It's 3:39. I'm set up back in that funnel. We're meeting Andy Eiffel Tower at those deer. There's 2 deer trails
at the top of the ridge. I got halfway down. Because last time we were in here, they were down closer to the water. So I can shoot there and those trails. Wish me luck. Pretty sure I just heard Chad shoot 2 times. He's over that ridge and along that funnel. The shot sounded like it was over there and echoed back, so I'm pretty sure it was him. He hasn't texted yet though, so I guess we'll find out. And they were apart. It wasn't like back to back, like he was shooting 2 separate deer. Got like 20 minutes left. Maybe I'll get lucky. Down. It's 4:54. I just had a doe come in from the north. 3 of them actually. She was looking right at me, started getting suspicious. So I shot her right in the chest, dropped her. I still have like 40 minutes, so I'm gonna keep on. Now here comes the Slayers.
It's like a Chinese finger trick, you know, except you stick your dick in one end, this, my dick in the other. Oh.
They're so bad.
You're down. You see anything?
What's that Chinese finger trick you're talking about here?
Talking about buttholes. I asked him, I said, we always keep the poop tubes from the deer I said, you want some? You can use it as a Chinese finger trick. Stick your dick in one side, I stick mine in the other, and we pull. Did you see anything?
No.
I didn't really shoot anything.
What?
I wanted to see if you would be kind enough.
What the fuck? Who shot? That wasn't you shooting?
No, some guy by me.
What the fuck?
Did you see anything?
Fuck you.
I thought you shot.
No, that was close to me, but down further.
Yeah, I didn't see anything.
That wasn't close to you, Chad?
It was close to me.
Oh, I thought for sure that was you shooting twice.
No.
Well, fuck you. I thought you had 2 down.
Yeah, that'd be cool, huh?
What a dickbag. You didn't see anything, Andy?
No.
Well, fuck. I'm all
I
excited.
seen you.
You saw me?
Just
The
unlock.
same spot as last time, but on the other side, so I wasn't downwind.
Oh, okay.
So I was downwind. And then I wasn't seeing anything. I was tired of sitting, so I got up and walked the ridge. And
We need
when I
to
was
make
walking the ridge, I seen you
Andy
across
climb a
the
tree,
swamp.
goddammit.
What's that?
We need to make Andy climb a tree, goddammit.
Oh.
He keeps sitting on the ground.
Yeah.
You're fired, Andy.
So what the fuck did you do?
I shot 2 deer. Got a double kill.
Christ. And you're gonna do what now? Go drag them out by yourself, right? Okay.
He shot 2 fawns, let the mom go.
One's a fawn, one's a mom. All right, but they're both does. I know it this time. I looked at their fucking heads.
I think they both got spots.
They don't. One of them might. Yeah, if I had 3 tags, that would have been a triple kill, bro.
Oh yeah.
Because the other one, the fawns came back to check out the mom.
Oh okay.
Dropped it, and then the other one was running around in circles and then stopped. And I was like, I don't have no more tags. So then I texted you because I figured it might come back.
Oh yeah.
Why do deer do that? Can you imagine if we're all walking through the fucking, we're just walking, having a good time. I get shot. You and Andy take off. Are you coming back?
Fuck no, not for you.
Not
Not
me,
for you,
fuck
bitch.
I seen the hairy beaver.
Hell yeah.
You better stay away from that.
Chad out here dropping the Eiffel Tower all by himself.
I'm sorry, I can't. He said we Eiffel Towered them bitches.
In the same spot him and Andy shot at during bow season. He put the hurting on 2 of them. He was just thinking of us. We don't want to sit in a camper all cold, right? We want to work up a sweat dragging deer out of the woods. That way we're nice and toasty warm. Ain't that right, Andy?
Yeah.
So now Chad's at 4 deer on the year. He's tied me. Now he's got a,
What's that, 21 in the group?
yeah, 21 deer between all of us hitting the ground. And it's only November 30th. It is the final day of deer regular firearm. But we brought the longbows up, so we're gonna try and stick them with an arrow in the morning. And then Andy brought the crossbow. We gotta get him a public land deer, damn it.
Oh, that's my piss.
That smelled familiar.
Nothing. There's nothing more fun than making it rain from the saddle. Yeah, I don't know where my shell casing went, which kind of sucks.
You know, the wind chill's only in the single digits. It ain't too bad.
Thank you, Lord.
Woohoo!
That's a pretty deer.
Very.
Nice doe, bro.
Thanks.
Slid down that hill. Very nice doe. Hell yeah. Kneel behind her for a second. Woohoo! Beautiful throat patch. Right in the chest, you got her too. Yeah, she's got a big old head on her, boy. I would say the way her belly is, she's a 3-year-old for sure. Maybe older.
It was the biggest one. It's the one I wanted. She was on to me, dude. She went. And I was like, nope.
No.
And I was like, nope.
No.
I got a rifle.
Yeah, you did.
I shot her right in the chest.
Yeah, right there. And she dropped. Bloop, bloop, bloop. And the other ones came up from downhill.
Yeah.
Just judging by the video that you showed us.
Here's the steps.
We'll go find the other one and drag it to her. And then we'll take care of them both right here. Yeah, that definitely looks like something that jumped.
I believe it happened right here.
Oh, right down there's mud kicked up too, bro. Right there, yep.
But something ran off that way.
You did, for sure.
That's what I'm saying. That might.
All right, you go up top then, what you think, and I'll come down here.
Do you want me to walk this one, or do you want to?
Yeah, look for blood.
Yeah, there's blood here.
Is there blood?
Oh yeah, you got it right here.
All right.
Yep. Oh, yeah, you could see where he was, you could see him in the video dropping his chest. You can see where he's hitting the ground. Blood spraying. Woo! Blood just a kicking. Nice, bro. That whole log moved. Hitting the ground. Gets back up. Hits the ground. Hell yeah, bro. Doe for sure.
I mean, you can't tell.
No.
This one's tiny, but perfect shot.
Good sized deer, actually.
Right in the vital V.
Can't beat it. Yeah. This is why you shoot them on top of the hill, bro. Going uphill.
Right there. Oh.
One down, one to go. A little go-go juice for me.
Or would you like to do this one?
Stick it in, stick it in.
November 30th, right?
Yes.
Her hide's thicker too.
Yeah, she went from having a pretty good day to not so much. Yeah, it's a nice old doe. At least 2.5, I'd say. Maybe 3.
It'll be good for your sister's family.
Yeah.
A lot of meat.
Yeah, I
Yep.
appreciate it a lot.
Yeah,
Brother's
dude.
gonna donate this to Andy's sister. Hell yeah.
As long as that little guy gets me enough snack sticks. But I'm not done hunting anyways, so.
No, we got a while yet. We got another 2 full months. Dragging these bitches out. Good job, bro.
Thanks.
What do you say?
What do I say?
Yeah.
I just want want to thank God, and I'm thankful that I got good friends like you guys.
We don't have to eat snow soup tonight.
No, we can eat inner loins. Was that a shot?
Yeah.
Jesus. You northerners are something else. Hell yeah. We're taking a breather. We got a 2-track to drag up now. Whew.
Only 5 more miles.
Only 5 more miles. Not quite. Not too far.
Fucking selfishness.
What's that 4-point that I shot in the morning when I passed on him? He was zigzagging down the power line, and he stopped and he looked behind him, and then a fawn ran out and was chasing him. And the buck was just trying to get away from the fawn, but the fawn was probably just lonely, you know?
Right. Well, my brother didn't leave this one lonely in the woods. Took it with Mama.
Let's rip it.
Rippity skippity. Yeah. Double down, baby. We eating in the loins tonight. Bow, bow, yeah. Got him back to camp. Whew. Yeah, sir.
Good night.
Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Is there a place to hang something?
Not really.
Not really.
Not really. No. I don't think they engineered Papas for cold weather. We're just kind of winging it. Not yet. No.
Deer.
Explain how you got on top of those deer.
Well, me and Andy went and hunted those points like we all talked about, and while we were walking out there, we seen fresh tracks going in there. 2 sets, maybe 3. So I decided, you know what? The funnel's a good place. I've killed deer there before. So I walked down the tracks and set up halfway down the hill.
And then deer came down on those tracks.
And Big Mama started looking at me funny, and I said, no. And
Didn't give her a chance to fuck up your hunt.
no blowing. So she left, or she got dropped, and the little ones took off, and then the little ones came back.
And then you sent another.
And then I dropped that other doe.
Yeah.
Fucking.
I wonder if my boots are gonna be frozen to the floor in the morning again.
Got up to put our shoes on and they wouldn't move because they were frozen to the damn linoleum. Oh my god. Yeah, it's an adventure, I'd say. Well, me and Andy came back into the funnel. There's that sexy beast. I'm gonna be his cameraman today. Wish us luck. Oh, it's about 10:30. My phone died out in the tree stand, so I didn't get a chance to do an interview out there. But I didn't see any deer. Plenty of tracks coming through yesterday and last night. Just nothing came through this morning. Bunch of squirrels. I did see a mink or a weasel or something that came through. I did get that on video. That was the last thing. But heating up some coffee now. I got the buddy heater going. Chad and Andy should be back soon. Then we're gonna tear down camp. It was nice getting to help the longbow again in the snow. That was fun. That's a good spot back there, man. It's the best funnel I've ever seen, and they're definitely going through there. There was tons of fresh tracks, so I don't know if we'll be back up here again this year, or if we'll just stick closer to home. But definitely next year I'll be set up there for sure. But it's December 1st. November's down. We're gonna keep chipping away. We got all of December and January to hunt, so I'm gonna try and put a couple more down.